Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with yet another video, and this is about a very scenic and beautiful place that is just about 30 minutes drive from Mysore. So many of them don't know about this place. So some call it as a lake and some call it as a quarry. So if you're wondering what place is this, this is named as Bottom. So many of them are not familiar with it. So if you're wondering where is this place is in Katakola. So that is just about 30 kilometers from Mysore, I guess. Or maybe, yeah, it's just 15 kilometers from Mysore. Yeah, you can reach here within 30 minutes, and it's little bit difficult to find. So if you go directly to the Google Maps and if you give as Bottom, so I think you can find it. Whereas if you Google it and this place doesn't show any search result, so that is one more thing about this place. So it's better you give it as Bottom near Kadakola, so maybe you could find this place easily. And if you're wondering how this place looks, and yeah, I'm just about to show that. Come, let's go.
When you are starting from Mysore, you have to take Nanjangud route. Hill that you see right in front of us is nothing but Chamundeshwari Hill. So if you haven't watched my video with respect to night drive to Chamundi Hill, then I think you should click on the icon on top. In that video, I have tried to cover how it looks at night time to visit the temple and the viewpoint where you can see the entire Mysore and Nandi Point at night. On the way, you can see lot of lakes. So one famous lake is Dalavai lake. So you can stop there as well while going to this place. On the way, you can also find a toll. And if you wish to skip the toll, I think there are alternate routes available. So you can take that as well. If you find the overhead water bridge, then the deviation is just 100 meters away from you. So you should be a bit careful while taking right here, because there are a lot of vehicles coming from every direction. So it's better to wait some time and then go ahead. On the way, you can also see Kadakola railway station. So this is again one more reference point for you guys in order to make sure you're following the right path. This is the main deviation where you have to take. So if you see this point, then you need to take a left in order to reach the place. If you move forward, you will also find a temple to the road. So if you find these two places, then I think you are almost at the right direction to reach the place. When you're almost near the destination, it's quite tricky to follow the Google Maps. So if you find an arch nearby the destination, please go straight towards that route. It's almost an open space, so you can park your car wherever you find the shade. Most of the people who come here are for the bike rides. So if you're getting your bike, I think it is easier to take it almost near to the lake. And if you're coming by car, it's better to park here and start walking, because the roads are not that great to drive your car over there. We were really clueless how to go further, so we thought maybe we could get a view from here, but there was nothing, so we started moving forward. So there was a route which went almost below. So then we took that route. This place is really good for photography, and if you are a bird photographer and you like bird watching, then this is a perfect place. So guys, you can see this is a step-like structure. By the way this place is made up, it looks like this is a leftover place after mining. So you can also see here it's all like steps. So that is for the movement of vehicles during the mining. That's what I think. There also you can see a lot of steps kind of shape. So let's go a bit closer and see how it is. So you can see from here it is again one more step kind of structure. So this is about 20 to 30 feet deep. We just came closer to the water, but I would really recommend please don't go very close to the water. If you see the structure of this place, it's literally 20 to 30 feet deep, because people usually think that there is a land and they if they move forward, literally there is a dip. So that's where it becomes more dangerous. So you can see here how it is. And when I spoke to locals, they also said that there are a lot of accidents. People go to take pictures here, or try to just walk in the water, and they don't realize that it is so deep, and they just meet with accident. So we spent some quality time down, and then we had parked our car right here. So if you come all the way here near this banyan tree, there is a viewpoint, so you can see the entire lake from the above.
So guys, like I said, I just met some few locals here. So we spoke about this place. They said that earlier this was a mining place. So Tata was owning it. And for about 10 to 15 years, this place is abandoned. And that is because they were mining, and there was a lot of groundwater that came up. So what you see here is the water that rose from the ground. So that is one reason the mining stopped, and also because of the water level, 2 3 people expired here while mining. So that is also one reason according to the locals. And they were mining for some white stone. I'm not really sure what they meant. So this was also at the start of this place. There is a Tata mining office. So it's abandoned right now, but I could read the Tata name over there on the building. So that was all about this place. So if you're coming here, please do come. This is really a good place, but be careful about the depth. So it looks like there is a flatland, but once you cross that, it's just 20 to 30 feet deep. So there are a lot of chances that you may slip and fall in the lake. So that's one thing. Apart from that, you can come here. And also the entire region now belongs to forest department. And we also asked for any animal sighting, and they said leopards could be spotted here. So that was all about this place. Hope you liked it. So next time I'll come up with some other beautiful place. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention: if you are a bird watcher and if you are interested in bird photography, please do come here. There are a lot of birds. We also spotted hornbill. So there are a lot of varieties of birds here. So that was one speciality about this place. So yes guys, that was all about it. See you next week with yet another video. Thank you. Bye.